guys, welcome back to my channel. So long time no see, and I'm so sorry for being away for a while, but I'm back now with another unboxing video. And thank you so much for 50,000 subscribers. I just can't believe even one person who watches my video. I'm really thankful. These are just numbers, but it really means a lot to me. So thank you so much for liking and subscribing to my channel. And yes, since I have hit 50,000 subscribers, I really wanted to reward myself and you guys as well. So I got a new vlogging camera. I have got so many comments from you guys that the video quality for vlogging is not very nice. So yeah, that's why I really wanted to upgrade my vlogging camera, and I got Canon G7 Mark II, and I'm gonna do the unboxing. I got a few other stuffs for my new vlogging camera as well, so it's inside this Amazon box. So let's go ahead and open it.
I'm really excited, guys. I just can't wait. I'm waiting for this package the whole day.
Here's the Canon G7X, guys. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna leave this for now, and I have got some other stuff for this camera. I got 64 GB SD card, and I also got glass protection for my camera. Oh, it's hard to open, but I really want to show you guys what's inside here. The packaging is really amazing for this tempered glass. As you guys can see, it's a wooden box, and inside the box you get all this stuff. That's the tempered glass, and you also get these cleaning stuff. So I'm gonna keep these away for now. That's the company, but I got everything from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description bar for you guys. So let's put this over here and check out my new Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. Let me zoom in. Okay. So inside the box, oh, I really wanted to show you the box. So it looks like this from the front. I almost opened it, guys, because of excitement, but yeah, these are the features of the camera. Yeah, let's open it without any further delay, because I cannot wait myself. Let me focus this one. So it comes with these menu and books, Canon book, I don't know, but yeah, I will definitely go ahead and read those later. It comes with a charger, I believe. Let me open it for you guys. It looks like this. It's a charger plug, and it also, I believe this is the camera, so leave this for later. But this is the charging plate, I believe. It also comes with a camera strap. You guys can see, very basic black color, but it's very useful as well, so I'm gonna definitely use that. And this is the battery for the Canon. That's everything inside the box, but I have to show you the camera. So here's the camera. Oh my god, guys, here's the camera. Canon G7X Mark II. Oh my god, that's the flip screen, and it's great for vlogging. Yeah, that's the flip screen, and you can see it like this. You can bend it, do whatever you want, you know. That's really cool. and I just can't wait to vlog with this camera, guys. Oh. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing video. That's the camera. I don't know how to explain all the features because this is my first vlogging camera, and even I don't know what's all these buttons and stuff, so I have to see and learn how to use this. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I love you all. Bye.